Hey, what's up? This is the second video about Poco X3 NFC smartphone. Yesterday we posted the video with unboxing and first look of the new Xiaomi phone. You can watch it by the link in description. In this video we will talk about performance of Poco X3. You know, Poco X3 is a budget smartphone of about $200, but it has a very good processor, Snapdragon 732G. I'm sure that the new Xiaomi phone will not have any problems with heavy games. However, I'm interested in whether it will be heated or not. I also want to play games on a 120Hz display. Okay, let's start the performance test with benchmarks. As I already said, Xiaomi Poco X3 NFC is powered by the new chipset Snapdragon 732G. I have a version with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory. So the first benchmark is AnTuTu. As you can see, the new Xiaomi Poco X3 smartphone scores about 276,000 points. That's very good result. The next benchmark is called Geekbench 5. Poco X3 has 564 points in single-core test and 1726 points in multi-core test. You know, the new Poco phone has very good benchmark results for budget phone. The last benchmark for today is ReadyMark. The overall score is 2687 points in OpenGL test. I have also tested Wi-Fi speed, memory speed and GPS. The new smartphone looks great. It's time to play games. I have already installed 4 games on Poco X3, such as PUBG Mobile, Asphalt 9, Shadowgun Legends and Call of Duty Mobile. You know, I haven't played games on smartphone with 120Hz display yet. This will be my first experience. I'm very excited. Let's start with PUBG Mobile. In the settings we can see that maximum graphics is HD and FPS is high. The game runs very well. It is really smooth thanks to the performance and 120Hz display. You know, the phone is really warm after 10 minutes of gaming. The temperature is about 47 degrees Celsius. The next game is Call of Duty Mobile. As I said at the beginning of this video, I'm sure that Poco X3 will not have any problems with games. Call of Duty is no exception. It is a pleasure to play this game on new Xiaomi phone. The smartphone is still warm, but it is not hot. The temperature is about 49 degrees Celsius. I have also played Asphalt 9 and Shadowgun Legends. Once again, you can see that these heavy games run very good on Poco X3. The temperature of smartphone after the last game is about the same as after the first one, 49 degrees Celsius. Poco X3 is not a gaming smartphone, but it runs heavy games very well. Yes, the smartphone is warm during games, but not hot. I think it is okay. I also like that Poco X3 has a 120Hz display. The games are very smooth. What do you think about performance of Poco X3 NFC? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.